goals, making people jump is what I'm paid to do. And living out my life, doing what I gotta do, so let me through. Just another way to let them know who I am. That's a 20-year-old dark skin down ass Mexican that's made for the flow. So now you know that we real. We got an album and a half that's too right for a diss, and now we sitting underground. That's what it's strictly spoken. All these fools that I was joking, but now I'm straight talking, never broken. With 30 in the moment, swooping on my streets every single weekend.
Every single week.
Crazy ass behavior, but no, I ain't no saver. Stepping up in this game. 805 got some flavor. Waiting for what's got to recognize and realize. But till then, I'll be rolling, making my hands on the side.
As I roll away, I got some fools on my jock, but I'm taking care of business. Pull the trigger on the Glock, rack top, bailing out the parking lot. On my way, I stash my 9, take care of mine. Fire up the J, I gotta make it quick, cause I can never move it slow. I'm always fading motherfuckers with us up below. And if you didn't know, see your lesson moving it steady. We're breaking wide from this crew, so fools, are you ready for the bomb? The dope ass shit from the clip. I got a money clip with hella grip. If I so I can dip, and you should know that you can never fuck with a crew that's larger and bigger. So what the hell you gonna do? Just take my advice, keep back and don't try to press unless you wanna take a couple rounds to the chest. Cause my ROADDOG's got my back. Deluxe and T-Dre coming at you cause it's like that.
Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
Southside.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
Southside.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride?
Creeping down the back street as I glide in my DROPTOP 65. Locked up in the air about 12 inches high, taking hits off a linear, blow the smoke in the sky. Why would you ever wanna try to fake the funk? Cause I got 412 beating in the fucking trunk. Love to bump when I'm rolling deep through the back streets of 9mm heat is what I do for a PUNK, trying to slow down my pace. I'm still steady flossing in a rag top Chevrolet. Just an ordinary day coming through with my crew down for the paper chasing. This is how we do. We got the Florida hoe, and you should know where it's at. A couple of homies put the 805 on the map, and we just did it, so admit it that it's dope. California lifestyle and Triple C up in smoke.
Feeling the effects of MEXI, CNS, Triple C and CLS. Put it to the test, never gonna stress when it comes to my mail. Straight bail, capital CAL is where I dwell. Leaving the trail, living no smoke in the dark. Hear us loud and clear as we drop the rear, scraping up, making sparks for the marks. Do you really wanna jump? SMB's got something that they sleep for you punks. CALI Productions, putting shit in motion. Threw some tracks on the cut, ripped it up and kept it floating. Creep while you was sleeping, cooking up new tracks. Never switching up to Hollywood, cause we was down from way back. Every other day, hooking up and staying true. 805, every guy coming through. Breaking 4 and 2, coming for force because I don't like the half-ass. Waiting on the punch to underestimate my last rap.
Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
Southside.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
Southside.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride?
Creeping down the back street, it's just the back street. Creeping down the back street.
MC assassin, left bars I'm passing. Never quit the game of rapping, punk I'm everlasting. There ain't no click like the one I got. Hard as a rock, talk shit and get shot. We put the knowledge to the mic from a gangster group. Creep up from behind because we're too smooth. An introduction to the marijuana in my brain. Start a new day and wipe off the blood stains. Dominator and rebel, we're taking no shit. You better get ready for a holler, get ready for the hit. What you gonna do when we come for you? Act like a trick or admit you're through. Triple C and CLS taking over shit. If you're looking for trouble, then come and get some, bitch. We're dropping it clean, serving your heat, and putting it down for the wicked back streets.
Coming clean on the seat, a brand new clip, dropping bomb ass hits, cause we're up like pigs down the scrap of flow. Whatever goes, the rules of the street are all I know. Keep my eyes on the prize, never slip or slide, never take no shit. I guess I have much pride. Brown, until the day I die, and I'll still be brown when I'm up in the sky. Never stop, cause I love what I do. I love where I'm from, I catch a cat for my crew, but I have no love for a beachy laugh. A rebellious player, call me way too clever. A skinny ass fucker took your spot and your dick. This homie came tight, so what you gonna do? I'm tired of you fools stealing other homies' beats. Catch your fucking pickles when I creep on the back street.
Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
Southside.
Have you ever rolled in a road ride? Down the back street on D.
805.
Have you ever rolled in a road